Hey guys, it's me Simone. In this video we're going to do a haul. This is from Crafters Companion. They did a warehouse sale about, I don't know, around the end of January. It just got to me. Today's like the 12th of February because of their, they mentioned on their website it's going to take a while. I did post on my Instagram, so you should go follow me. Links always in the description bar below. That they're doing the sale. A lot of great things like AliExpress prices. They had they had a couple $4 ones and $5 dies, and then bundles. And they have some Facebook bundles of papers and tools and all kind of things. But I am getting a blind bag. That's what I have here. And this is a bunch of the beautiful, amazing, dynamic dies and all kinds of stuff. So for $2, $3, $4, $5, I think it's amazing price point. I just end up getting the blind bag just to see, you know, push my luck. I've been getting pretty good blind bags lately, and it was only $25. So why not? So let's get started. I've already opened this up because I couldn't resist, and I was eating, so I wanted to see. And so I'm going to go through everything. So do excuse one thing, I'm going to mention this. I am on my floor right now. I am moving rooms right now in my house to a different room. So my craft table is completely taken apart and getting ready to move to a different room. But I really want to record this video before I put everything up. So yes, I'm on my floor. If you see any black figures come in, it's my dog because she's right next to me and she's very nosy, so please excuse that. So I move my mat up a little. Okay, so I think the camera's straight. If not, I'll try to straighten everything up here. So this other thing is I got for $20. It's $20. I paid $26 in total with shipping and handling. That's how much I paid for this. So the first thing I got were the Spectrum Noir Coloristas. So these are just some alcohol based markers, and the color is autumn. The colors that I got were what are these weird? These are some weird names. So I got olive green, oak tree, moonlight, burnt orange, and satsuma. I don't know. Don't ask me. Satsuma. I think it's satsuma. I don't know. So kind of these colors here. I think the only thing I don't like about these is the barrel color. It is a very bright blue color, and it just doesn't look really pretty to me. I kind of wish it was more of a muted blue. I don't know, but I do want to use these. This sounds interesting. Get those colors. Then I got some stamps. So I have this stamp, and this is a mystical stamp. It's hard for you to see. Let me get that glare. Guys, I had to get some of my lights and put it in here so you can see me because it was dark. So this is a mystical stamp here. It has this elf. Oh, you guys can't really see it. An elf here. Then there's a deer here. I have some acorns, leaves, feathers, and berries, and a couple sentiments on here saying wishing you a magical birthday, I think you're fantastic, and hope you had an enchanting time. So that's the stamps that I got. Really pretty, hard to kind of show you. The next one I have is this one, and this is a Christmas one, and these are silicone stamps. So this one has bells and a flower, very pretty flower. It says peace, love, and ding a ring. It says ding and then ring a ding. So wait, I think is that better for you guys to see it? I mean, it's a very detailed stamp, so it's kind of hard to show you. But okay. So those two stamps, which I was very surprised I got those. The next thing I got are these dies. I have this Desire die, and this is just an edge die. It says beautiful borders is the name. So you get these little borders here. Yeah, right here. It shows you the different borders. Really pretty. So you put this on the edge of your card to kind of cut into it. Then I got this beautiful embossing folder. And this is called Holy Vine Swirls. A Christmassy swirl. embossing folders. Like I need more embossing folders, but I do think it's really pretty. Then I got this. This is called a foil transfer. That's what it says. And basically what you get is you get what's it called? You get 25 elements, those little black images you see, and then you get 2 foil sheets and then this stick, the applicating tool. So the 2 sheets are clear, and then you transfer them on your paper, and then you get the foil sheets they provided and put them all over the image, and then they'll stick to the image you transferred over, if I'm making any sense. That's what I think it's how it works, basically by what they do. So yeah, select your transfer and your foil, carefully peel, transfer it, and then put your foil on top of it, and there you go. So pretty cool, interesting. Then I had a desired die. This is the Shutterbox base die. Really pretty, huge, and I love that it came with a magnetic sheet. That's awesome. So this is awesome. It's big. Then I got this. This is an what is that? Embossalicious? I don't know. Weird words. And this is Regency swirls. Regency swirls. I'm gonna say it weird. Okay, and it's a huge 8x8 embossing folder. I can't technically use this at this moment in time because I have a big shot and it will not go bigger than, it's like 5.5 inches, I think, or 6. I think 6 inches. So I will need a bigger embossing machine, like the, gosh, what's it called? Like the Gemini or the Tangerine from Tonic, or the Big Shot Plus, or whatever. Next thing I have that I got in this thing was the Crafter's Companion Inspiration Magazine. This is the summer edition. It comes with some cool ideas of products and projects I can do. So let's open some of these up and show you they in here. I love having magazines or just books for inspiration, so I'm definitely excited to look through here and see what they have. This is something that I was kind of like, really? Yeah. So this is a So Inspired. This is the autumn edition, and this was £9. But it's 25 pounds worth of items. And so I did not open this yet. I opened everything else pretty much, but I didn't open this. So it tells you that it comes with $6 sewing patterns, storage patterns, a versatile pamper theme template, and then a fat quarter of funky cactus fabric. So I guess this is my pattern here on how to make my own stylish sewing storage. This is my fat quarter of funky cactus pattern, and my template, and a magazine. With inspirational things in it. I don't sew at all. Okay, I do occasionally, but it's not, I'm not good at it. I do it here and there. So this is what I'm not really excited for. I kind of wish I didn't get that. So what I thought when I got this thing was, it was in the section with all the dies and embossing folders and those kind of things. So I thought the blind bag, since it was in that section, would be majority dies and those things, and except for this and that. Now I like pretty much everything in here. I think the only thing I don't really care for is this thing. Everything else I'm happy for. And I do want to make a card or tags with these and then show you guys how they turn out. So I kind of feel it's like a kit right here. Like pretty much everything goes together and would turn out to look like a nice card. So I'm definitely going to put some projects together and show you guys that. But this is the one thing that I'm like, really, like, I don't know, it's kind of disappointment for me. But that's pretty much everything. I'm about to go relax and finish up my break before I keep moving things. And I will talk to you guys later. Much love and have a great day. Bye. Get crafty.